Here's how we make our 4th grade Rachel Lee lighthouses. Each student picks out 6 different colored papers. They pick one of the papers to be their watercolor. We cut it the long way and then glue it to the bottom of our 9 by 12 tagboard paper. We use tagboard so that we have a little bit more structure when we're adding all the paper onto it. We then flip the paper over and cut off any excess paper that's hanging off. Next, we pick a different color that's going to be the stripes on our water. We cut little strips of this paper the long way as well. It's up to the student how many stripes they're going to put on there. We then glue our stripes onto our water and cut the extra off. Next, we get our watercolor again to create a rock. Our rock is just a half circle. We pick a new color that's going to be a little bit bigger of a rock. This rock, we're going to add some stripes onto. That's the same color as our water. The stripes can be different thicknesses and go in different directions. We then cut any of the extra off again. Next, we grab another new color of paper and create a smaller rock. We glue them all down to become the base of our lighthouse. If there's any extra paper hanging off, we trim it. Time to pick another new color. On this one, we create a tall trapezoid to be our lighthouse. We cut it out and we tuck it behind our big rock and glue it down. With our watercolor, we create another half circle to be the top of our lighthouse. We then use our big rock color to create a circle with a hole punch. We glue that circle at the top of our lighthouse. We get a smaller hole punch to do another circle in the same color to go above the first circle. We then grab one of our new colors to create a stripe to go onto our lighthouse. Our stripe is just a little rectangle. Our second stripe is our watercolor again. We then use a small hole punch to make 2 little circles that become our windows in our lighthouse. Next, we use the same color as the top of our lighthouse to make one giant triangle. We then glue this triangle coming out of the top of our lighthouse going off the left side of our page. Any extra, we cut off. We use our hole punch to make a sun out of the top stripe color and glue it up to the sky. Next, we use the 5 colors that are not the top of the lighthouse to make our birds, 1 of each color. We cut them all out and glue them to our big triangle. We then use our little hole punch to create some little circles for the cheeks of our birds. You can use any of the colors you want for these. We use black paper to cut little triangles that we glue to the ends of our birds' tails. Lastly, we use a Sharpie to add an eye and a little beak. If you have any extra paper hanging off, chop it off. And here's our finished 4th grade Rachel Lee lighthouses.